Bishe Mheshimiwa Rais kwa makofi.
Muthia Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni aruguririe igongona ria ungania wa thairi cia gukindira riboti ya kamiti ya uiguano ya BBI. Thutha wa igongona riri gukorwo ritireirio kiumia kihituku na thengia wa gukorwo rietereirwo kwa ihinda. President na mũruna wa ODM Raila Odinga matongoririe bururi hari gwikira thairi ciao cia gukindira mutaratara uyu. Guku Atongoria ngathi itiganite undu umwe na gicunji kia akenya magiire na mweke wa gwikira thairi ciao igongona-ini riri mbere ya rihinguritwo kuri muingi.
We once again take these proposals to you Kenyans, requesting that you confirm and endorse these proposals, and to ensure informed decision-making by Kenyans. The bill will be made available through newspapers, while the BBI report is available through electronic and print formats, and include abridged and summarized versions to ensure everybody reads this particular bill.
We are starting a new journey today, and we invite each and every Kenyan to work with us. We are confident that if we come together as a people, nothing can stop us from realizing the Kenyan dream as coined by the founding fathers of our nation.
Kamiti ya kibururi igie gukinyaniria riboti ino riu ikirongoreria kiumia kimwe gukorwo marikitie kugania muigana wa thairi milioni 1 iria ciendekanaga ni kamiti ya IEBC. Ona gutuika marongoreirie kugania thairi milioni 4 riri president ahuthirite igongona riri gutetera riboti ino kuma kuri aria makoretwo makiregana nayo.
We're not talking about replacing a constitution. We're talking about amending a constitution. The first of many possible amendments that will come over a period of time as Kenyans change and evolve.
Kuruguria kwa mubango uyu riu gutirihite ndereti iria ikoretwo igitheremio ni ikundi itiganite cia muingi na atongoria bururi-ini, na aria makoretwo makiandikithia gukorwo na miario gatagati ka miahu itiganite niguo kugia na murugamo umwe wigie riboti ino ya BBI. Guku meri ino ya BBI riu ikioneka gukorwo irikitie gukura yerekeirio kura ya mawoni.
Sisi wengine wetu tunajua maana ya amani, na sisi tunataka kurekebisha zile shida, na turekebishe kwa njia ya kikatiba, kwa njia ya kisheria, ndio Kenya isonge mbele na Wakenya wawe kitu kimoja. Hiyo ndio haja yetu kubwa, sio kuja hapa kila siku kuambiwa hii na hii na hii.
We are ready and raring to go. We are prepared, and we will make sure that our agenda of uniting this country is achieved through the BBI.
So Reggae went in recess because it was half time. Wachezaji wanarudi kwa kiwanja. Nobody can stop reggae.
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae.
Kurugurio kwa igongona riri ria ungania wa thairi gutikiite kibarua kinene moko-ini ma kamiti ya kibururi igie gukinyaniria riboti ino ya BBI. Kuona riu mari na ihinda ria kiumia kimwe kugania thairi itanyihiire milioni 1. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.